up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channels, and today's video is all about is our first day on the cruise. So guys, it's my first time going to the cruise and we'll see how it goes. So let's go. Alright guys, we're here we're like 5 minutes away, right, Ma? 5 minutes away from the cruise, and we're inside the restaurant. We're eating before we go, and Mom, Sophia, Papa, and Big Boy's over there. So, alright guys, we're gonna eat first and see you in a... Alright guys, we're here at the line. We're about to enter the cruise. So let's go. Alright guys, there's the boat right there. So we're waiting for Papa. Let's go, boy. Fold me. We're gonna go over there. Okay. So guys, we're on our way to the boat. You ready, boy? Yeah? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm ready, Mom.
We're going to the Philippines.
No, alright guys, see you in the boat. Alright guys, we're here. We're about to go. Oh. Oh, man. It's a boat.
Carnival paradise, guys.
Carnival freedom. Well, first time coming on a cruise, guys. So, yeah. Alright, guys. We're about to step on the boat. Yeah, we're here. We're in a boat, boy. Alright, we're gonna go find our room. Or, I don't know, tour, I guess. Alright, guys. See you in a bit. Alright, guys. We're inside. So, alright guys, we're gonna go one up and to the right or left? Left, Ma? Alright. Oh my goodness. That's nice. So let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna do our safety course. I think the muster or something. So let's go. Alright guys, she said we're just gonna watch it on the TV. TV, right, Pa? Huh? The TV, on the TV. Alright, we're just gonna watch shit on TV. The life jacket. I don't know, the safety course or something. And now we're heading to our bedroom to get our key.
So over here is even. Over here is odd. So we have
Yes, sir.
22, 30.
We're into our bedroom.
So never mind. So yeah. So then like we should go up in here and bam, my room.
Alright, yes, sir. Alright, so the door's still closed. So we're going to the top of the boat to probably just walk around. So let's go, guys. Alright guys, right now we're at the deck 5 and we're heading to deck 9, Pa. Shit. And we're just taking the stairs because the elevator will take like a couple minutes. So might as well get our stuff in. Alright, see you at the deck 9, guys. Alright guys, we're here at the top and all the views right here. So guys, we're here at the top again. The basketball coach over there, and this is like the slide. I'll see. I'm gonna try that today or more. Alright guys, we're here at the top, the boat. Guys, we're finally at the top. I mean, there's more, but I don't know if we can go there. There's a slide right there. Mama! Basketball court. I'll be there later in a bit. Shoo. And I'm gonna try to find their gym. So, you know, look at that. Nah, so you guys should be. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're here at the gym. They have a lot of stuff in there. No way. Oh yeah, we're definitely coming here. And there's more over there. Oh my god. Let me use the restroom real quick. So, alright. and probably going to the basketball court next. So let's go. Oh yeah, guys, this is the sauna room. Oh yeah, oh yes, sir. I brought my hat suit too. Oh my god. So yeah, we don't need to worry about what we eat. This. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Probably around 3 o'clock. They say we're ready. So.
To decrease the risk of hydration. Guess must be 18 years
Let's go, boy. All right, guys. See you at the basketball court. All right, guys. The basketball court is right there. So we're gonna be there later on, and we're still waiting for our room to be open around 1 o'clock. And we got. Let me see. What's up over there? Oh yeah, let's go to golf day. Tap golf. I mean, golf. Guys, we're on our way to the golf course. See, he's right there. Good spot, though. Good spot. We'll be there too. We'll be here, sir. There's the jacuzzi and the SpaceX guys over there. You know, Elon. Hey guys. Yeah. 2-4. So good. So let's go. Yeah. I think that's the spot where they launched the rocket. And the NASA's wait, where is it? The NASA is over there. So yeah, guys, we're close to the NASA. There you go, guys. We're at the type golf. I mean golf, mini golf. And Big was first. He has the orange ball. Remember? No, twist it. No, you're good. Go hit it. And stop. And my turn. Oh my God. There you go. See a video. Orange. Hit the orange. Now it's my turn. Move. Oh my God. Went back. What the heck? My ball. Alright, my turn. Where did he go? Oh my God. You gotta keep it there, boy. No, it's my turn. No. Hit it. 1 sec. Oh, that's it. No cheating. Yeah, I know. That's the hole, right? Okay. Alright, it's my turn. Oh my God, bro, the win. You hit my ball. Now it's my turn. Wait. Let it roll. Yeah. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Yeah, bro, we're on 1-0. So we gotta go next one. Alright, guys, just again. Go. Hit it. Hit it. Wait. The wind. Go hit. It's my turn. Oh my goodness. Huh? Start it there. Go. Hit. It's my turn. All right, go. Hit it. Now it's my turn. Where's yours? Put it down, cheater. We gotta go back later on.
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, we just stopped playing mini golf because it was too windy. So we'll be back later on. So and we're just waiting for our room to be ready. So I have to wait for a couple minutes. So let's go. Alright guys, we're here. And now we gotta get an envelope. Open it.
Oh, here.
Envelope. Okay.
So this is our key.
Key. Is it two in there? So one each?
Okay, so.
Yes.
I got a red one. So.
It's Sophia.
Huh? Oh.
There we go. There you go.
Oh, this is.
There it goes. Push it,
Oh my god, we haven't struggling guys, we're struggling. There you go.
Ooh.
Hey, push it. Push it. Push it.
Get the thing.
Let me get my one. Alright. There you go, don't worry. Go, go. Open the light.
This is a bathroom.
I don't know. Open the light, guys.
Wait. Alexa, open the light.
Okay. We got on Alexa. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure how to open, guys. Let me put my. So here.
Oh, it's right here.
Hey, so this. Oh, okay.
Look the bathroom yet.
Oh, check it. Let me. All right, first we're gonna check the bathroom. Oh, look. Bar legs first. Let me see.
Oh, we're not connected.
The bathroom. Oh wow. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Look nice. Just the toilet, shower. Yes, sir. And what is this? What is this? Oh, the storage area. You know. Over here. The bed. I don't know. I'll probably take. I don't know. It depends what you want. And this is the view. And we didn't get the balcony because we have a kid, so big boy. We don't want no accident. But this spot's not bad. Still have the view. Yep. And this is the bed. Good space, and they give us some water, which is good, yes sir. TV. Oh, Sophia's locked.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Y'all plays.
We got water.
Yeah, but it costs $4.75 if you guys want to
Look at that, guys, man. They're so expensive. Hi, Ma. Hello. Hi, boy. Hi, boy.
Living the high life over here, man. Look at you guys living the high life.
Yes, sir.
See,
What
boy,
is this?
You can even sleep over here if you want.
In the
This
view.
turns into a bed.
Look at that blue water, guys. That's nice.
This is too
So.
put your luggage on top so that we can unpack it.
So, guys, right now we're back at the gym, and we're about to run on the treadmill. So, let's go. Sure. Guys, we're 7 minutes. And after that, we're gonna find something new to do and do some small workout and go to the sauna. So let's go. All right, guys, we just finished doing workout, and I did some. I did legs day today, so I did a lot of stuff too. And after that, we went to sauna for at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and now we're gonna go take a shower and probably, you know, because my mom, sister, my neighbors, they're doing the massage right now, and we'll probably have to wait for them. And after that, we're gonna go to get some food for dinner. So let's go, guys. All right, guys. Right now we're here at the casino. Papa right there. Sir, we got our stuff ready. So let's go. So guys, that's all the video about. Just the first day of the cruise, and yeah, guys, everyone's tired right now, and they're all asleep, and I'm the one who's not asleep yet. So yeah, guys. So yeah, that video is all about the first day of cruise, and yeah, just trying to have fun, you know, on our first time being on cruise. So you guys, and just stay this, and there will be a second day. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.